Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore a simple yet useful JavaScript function to remove specified elements from the left of an array. This task demonstrates the power of array manipulation in JavaScript, specifically how to slice an array from a given index order. Let's dive into the details. The problem here is simple. We want to remove a specified number of elements from the start of an array. For example, given the array 1, 2, and 3, and where n is equal to 1, we remove the first element, resulting in 2 and 3. If n exceeds the array length, the output will be an empty array. Here's the implementation. The function remove from left takes two inputs, an array and a number n. If n is not provided, it defaults to 1. The slice method is used to create a new array starting from the index n. Finally, the function returns the slice array, which excludes the first n elements. Let's break the process down. We start with an array and the number n. If n is not provided, it defaults to 1. Using the slice method, we extract elements starting from the index n until the end of the array. The resulting array is then returned as the output. Here are some example outputs. In the array of 1, 2, and 3 with n being 1, it results in 2 and 3. In this same array with n being 2, it results in just 3. In the array of 1, 2, 3 where n is equal to 4, it exceeds the array length, resulting in an empty array. These examples show how the function works for different inputs. This method can be applied in various real-world scenarios. Data processing, to remove unwanted elements from the start of a dataset. Pagination, to skip a specified number of results when implementing pagination in web applications. Dynamic slicing, to extract subsets of data dynamically for further analysis or display. It is a flexible and efficient way to manage arrays in JavaScript. To summarize, the remove from left function leverages the power of the slice method to efficiently remove elements from the left of an array. With a default value of 1 for n, it's versatile and easy to use for various scenarios, including data slicing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.